Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the ZT Max 20 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to pair it or connect it to our smartphone, meaning we will install the support app for this smartwatch, the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. So we have here the QR code for the smartwatch. So this one is the ZT Fit application that is available on Android and iOS. You can search it on Google Play Store or scan this QR code. In our case, we will try to search it on Google Play Store if our QR code scanner will not work. If it's okay, then we'll scan the QR code. So if you are planning to pair your ZT Max 20 smartwatch with a support app, or if you want to connect it with a smartphone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and pair our ZT Max 20 with the support app ZT Fit application available on Android and iOS. So we have here the QR code. So let's scan this QR code. We have a QR code scanner here, as you can see. So let's scan the app. Again, so let's open the application. So we have here a website. So we have a link, App Store for the iOS platform. We have the Google Play Store. Let's tap on the Google Play Store, and we have here the app ZT Fit with 1 million plus downloads. So let's install the app. Let's wait for it to finish installing, and after that we'll pair our smartwatch with the ZT Fit application. Let's wait for it to finish downloading, and it will automatically install it in our smartphone. Finally, the application is installed, so let's open the app. So we have here user protocol. Agree to the user protocol. Agree. Let's wait to load. And we have allow ZT Fit to access this device's location while using the app. Then we have here the dashboard. We have home, device, activities, and profile. Let's select the device section. Device disconnected. Go to bind. Allow ZT Fit. So we have here another permission. Allow it. Open location service, location information. Okay. Then activate. Go back and go to bind again. Let's wait for it to finish scanning. So we have the Watch X and the Ultra 2. Is the Ultra 2 our smartwatch? Let's see. Go to the about section of your smartwatch just to make it sure that you are connecting with the same smartwatch. So we have the Ultra 2. Do they have the same address? 509484. Okay, so the same. Tap on it. Let's wait for it to connect. Completed the first one. Time setting completed. User profile setting completed, and we are now connected. Let's see. Find. And we have here. So we are now connected with our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. Let's have the basic setup. Message push. Allow the permission. If you want to receive notifications, you have to activate or allow the permission. SMS. Committing. Set successfully. App. notification read permission, just look for the application, allow, agree to the permission, go back, then go back, activate some of the apps here, Instagram, then go back. Okay, next, frequent contacts, let's add one. Go to your phone book, allow the access if you want to use the Bluetooth call. Okay, then another one, number, okay, then set successfully. Let's see, you have the smartwatch here, go to the contacts. So where's our contacts, phone book, and we have here the number. Okay, that's it. Other options, vibration settings is okay, reminder. So everything is set here for our Ultra 2, the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. So very easy to set up, very easy to connect. As you can see, we successfully connected our ZT Max 20 with the support app, the ZT Fit application on Android smartphone. If you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.